Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell button, and if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button. In this video, we're going to show you where the ports are to recharge your air conditioner on a GMC. It can be a Denali, most Corvettes, Silverados. You got two ports. You got your low side and your high side. Right here's your high pressure line. And you remove the cap and hook up your line set. And right here's your low pressure line. And make sure you, before you do this to recharge the system, make sure you run a vacuum down on the system and get all the air and oil out of the system, because you don't want to put new Freon in it that might, depend on the oil, the type of Freon you buy, might already come with new oil additive to it, and you don't want to pollute the system with all that old toxins and dirt that could potentially be in the system if you've had a service done on the vehicle or replaced some air conditioning parts. This particular customer's car, they brought it to us. It had gotten a wreck. Something come through the front end of the truck, the grill assembly, and so we had to put a new evaporator, a new condenser and a radiator. An evaporator right behind the dash is right here behind the glove box. It pressure tested good, so it doesn't have any leaks. But like I said, we had to replace the condenser, the AC condenser on the front end, and the radiator. I'll show you in another video. The condenser itself had a pinhole in it. But hopefully y'all find this video useful on where the ports are to connect and flush and recharge your air conditioning system on GMC Silverados. Y'all have a great day.